was motivated to choose a drone technology course as part of my education degree. I think it's really important to be able to bring drone technology into today's classroom and into future classrooms.
Flying drones for study is completely different to sitting in a classroom. I really like that there's so many different applications with drones, different fields that I can go into when I finish my degree and where I can use a drone.
Flying the drones for sure. It's actually really fun. It's the first time I've ever done it before. I'm really excited about learning more about mapping and hyperspectral sensors and thermal sensors. I've been really surprised at all the different ways that you can actually use drones in marine science. I had no idea that there was all these different types of technologies that you could utilise them for.